First, download Visual Studio Code using this link. Install it taking the defaults. Open it up and click the extensions icon and type FTP in the search. Select FTP-SYNC and install. The extension needs Git, so next we'll download that. Install it using the defaults. Open Windows Explorer and browse to the directory that you want to sync with your Pi. Then in the address bar, highlight the path and replace it with CMD. This will open a command prompt open to that directory. Type git ---- version to verify that Git is working. Next, type code space dot, and this will open VS Code to this directory. Remote into your Pi using VNC. Open up File Explorer and create a directory to hold the files you're going to sync. Back in VS Code, type F1. This will bring up the commands box. Type FTP, then select FTP-SYNC init. The config file will open. Fill in the path on the Raspberry Pi. Put in the IP address of the Pi in the host. If you don't know it, remote to the Pi and type ifconfig. Type the username and password, change the port to 22 and the protocol to SFTP. Finally, type F1 again, FTP-SYNC, local to remote, select full sync, then run. Switch back to your Pi and you should see your files appear.